Got a big old bush that I need to take out on the corner of my backyard. Luckily I can get my trusty Toyota Sienna minivan in the backyard. Just got it tied up to the trailer hitch down there. Found the base of the roots really good, so we'll see what happens. It'll be kind of fun to see what happens. I don't really care if the bush gets killed, but if I could preserve some of the roots to give the bush away, or the shrub away to somebody, that'd be nice. But we don't want it anymore. It's attracting a lot of flies and bees, and it's kind of in the way where I want to put a rain barrel and kind of make it more of a minimalistic area in the garden here. So anyway, we'll see if it will pull out.
No, you're tight. Oh yeah, it worked.
Yeah.
It worked.
Woo! That's awesome. That worked better than I thought it would. I kind of felt like the cord snapped when I heard this crack, and I'm like, oh dang it.
I thought the cord was snapping too, but it's just a root snapping.
It was just like a root pulling out. That's awesome. That saved me hours of work. I had already dug that stupid thing for like 2 or 3 hours or longer.
Well, you just basically...
I just got the taproot out. It was just all the surface of the roots I got loosened already. That was awesome. Sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna drag it to the front yard now.
You want me to film it?
Should I put it on like the cart or something?
Yeah, put it on the cart and then pull it with the cart.
Let's put it on the cart. Can you help me hook it up to the cart, and
pull the cart with the van.
Well, yeah, we'll pull the cart to the front yard with the van.
You're good. Probably. I don't know. Want me to check? America.
To the curb, and we're gonna wrap that root ball with something here because I have some guy who wants to come pick it up tomorrow morning, and hopefully it will survive. We'll see how it does for him, but he wanted it for free, so, and we didn't want it in our yard anymore, so we just drug it out with our car. Luckily we had a long driveway. We could do way easier than pulling it out by hand. That was a huge shrub.
Got ate by a bush. Probably like a